Have a problem with the lock on this 2017 Discovery, my wife's. Even though the door handle works and the door does lock, the car is giving off some kind of mislock problem, so the alarm goes off whenever you try to lock it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. If you go into, where are we? Get this one on. Right, so if we go to menu and down to vehicle information, in there, down to last alarm. So the last alarm, or the last thing that caused the alarm to go off, I can get through there, was the rear left door unlock. So that's where I'm at with the actuator on the door. The only way we've been able to lock this car without the alarm going off is to take the blade out of the key. Take the blade out of the key and pop it in here, and you can lock the car. Not like that, you can't. Probably still opening because I have the key in my hand, but it does lock that way. I have got a new actuator, well, second-hand actuator, and the whole door handle off a donor car that I'm going to swap, just to make sure everything's swapped over. Just going to show you how to do this, because it takes a bit of work to get this out, and there's a screw in here that I had to look around for quite a while to figure it out. But so there is that just pops off. There's 2 Torx screws in there. T30. Not sure that's exactly how you're supposed to take that off, but it works, and you're always going to break something, so no point in messing around. I'll just show you what's going on in here. So there's a red cable for the handle, pop that, lift the cable out, and there is some wiring. Okay, door card's off. I need to do all of these Torx screws as well. I think they're probably T25. Leaving these 2 on so we can get these electrical connectors out. Tab on the bottom there, press that in. That's that, take that off as well. Speaker. And cable there. And cable there. Oh, there we go. To be fair, that's quite easy. This is where it gets more difficult. So what we need to do in here is remove, well, the wiring needs to come out first, out of the way. There's one on. Can't really get to either of those things until it's loose. That needs to come out. It's a 25 as well. That allows that to flex so that you can work the actuator out past it. Now take these 3 torque screws out of here. And this is where you think, yeah, this is going well. Just need to lift the actuator out, but you can't get it out because it's still attached to the handle. On, you can't see it, but there's another one of these red cables on the other side of the actuator. So it took me a while to figure this out, but we need to take the handle off. Well, I don't know if we need to take the handle off. I'm taking it off because I'm going to replace it anyway. So pull that fit right there. Okay. There's a switch in that handle. I don't know if that's got anything to do with our issue, but I'm going to change it. So this is the part that had me looking for a long time. In behind this bung, we can get that out. Hold on. Oh, into the door. Got it back. Right. In there. And this confused me for a while because you need a very long screwdriver, and you see there, that's another, that screw holds the handle on the outside from the inside. You need to get that screw out, but you're going to have a long handled T25 or one of these like multi fit ones, and just to mess around. You can feel there's like a plastic, there it is, there's like a plastic guide for that screw. Now the screw can't fall out because this is effectively what you're looking at. No, backwards. That's what you're looking at. So the screw can't come out of there because it's in that plastic housing, so don't worry. Yeah, that screw holds this on, which is allows the door handle. There we go. Handle comes off quite easy. And then there's another screw here, which we can remove. There we go. So there's the handle. Now the reason you need to do this is because the handle and the actuator need to come out as one because they're connected together. Although I think I was able to reach in. Yeah, there we go. You can now get to the handle cable here. Pop that up. Release it from the metal. That's that part out. Better not get these confused and put the old one back in. So I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see because it's very awkward, or it was awkward at the time to get that out, but I think I released that there for the wiring. See the electric plug in there? You can see where it's flexing against the door runner, or the window runner, sorry. But I think it does just slide down enough. Yes. There it is. Is that? Oh my God, Lyndon!
Whoa.
You scared the life out of me.
Dinner's ready.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to take this plug off. Maybe it's up. Oh. Come out.
You just push it back in, I think. Oh. Yes.
There.
Cut it out.
Oh, you did. Old one, new one. Let's check the part numbers. Alright, let's get it done. Put this in like that. And clip this on first. Ah, no. And was able to get that tucked in at an angle so you can see that electrical connector there. Sort of get that up in behind the window runner and then push it, twist it back around, and then before you screw it in we need to get the that back on the door handle. It should be handy. What's an inside door handle? Get that in there, go on. There we go. Now I can get that on. I'm gonna say that probably goes on there. Yes it does. Okay. Roughly there's right. Just clicks in. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Goes on there. This is for the internal door handle. That goes on there. Okay. I think we can put the door card back on. Is that it? Seems to be. Oh, I knew there was one more thing. The window runner screw. There's always one. Quite impressed that I remembered about that so quickly. I'd usually wait to have the door card on or something and then wonder why I had one extra screw. Oh, forward would be good. Let's just have another look in there. Sockets on. That's for the handle. Door handle. Gotta be ready. Yes, the correct amount. Okay. Electrical plugs back on. I don't know which one, the top or bottom. Okay, there's pins on the right hand side of that one and pins there, so that's got to be the top. That's got to be the bottom. There, that's the speaker one. There. Goes over that. Okay, a door. Oh. Oh, where's the cable? Okay, door card again. That's a good start. This, however, not a good start. Missing this. And if you remember from earlier, that's where that screw goes. What is going on? Oh, that's that without the cover. I popped the cover off it the last time. There we go. Okay, that works. Does the center locking work? Yes, it does. You can tell it works because the mirrors go in. Hooray! I must admit, I genuinely didn't think that was going to work because the door did seem to lock okay, but apparently they give problems, and that's enough to set the center locking from not working. So good job, it's finished. It's another job done. Thanks for watching.